Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to download movies and TV shows in Netflix on laptop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're wondering, can you actually download content from Netflix so that you could watch them offline? Well, in this case, we own that they do have this functionality. But the thing with this functionality is currently it is only available on certain devices. Now, this is directly from Netflix help page. Now, you can only download content directly from their app on Android phones, iPhones or iPads, Amazon Fire tablets, and also Google Chromebook. Now, the thing with this one is if your device is not one of these, like for example, you just have an ordinary laptop or a PC, well, the option for you to download those titles or those TV shows or movies, well, they are currently unavailable. So, meaning you won't be able to download them directly. But there is a workaround here that you could try. Now, before they do allow you to download them offline just using your PC, but they actually removed that, which is really unfortunate. So, what's the other way for us? So, in this case, we'll be using what we call an emulator. So, we'll be emulating a Android into our device. But don't worry, this is still quite fast. You don't have to worry about it. So, in this case, you want to go to Google here. Just type in the following. It's going to be BlueStacks. Go and search for it. Now, BlueStacks here, you want to access their website, and you want to go and click on the download BlueStacks button. Now, once you do download BlueStacks here, you'll be able to run in .exe file. So you want to go and run this and just install this into your PC. Now, once you have this installed, you should be able to see your desktop here, and you want to go and just open up BlueStacks 5. So the thing with BlueStacks 5, this works like any kind of Android device. So if you know how Android devices work, well, you're pretty much good to go with BlueStacks. So what you need to do here is you want to proceed on installing Netflix. So inside BlueStacks, you want to go and access Google Play Store. So let's load this up real quickly first. So inside BlueStacks, you want to go and just choose System Apps. You want to go and choose Google Play Store. And if this is the first time you're accessing Google Play Store, you may need to log into your Google account. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and click on search at the very bottom. You want to go to search apps and games at the very top and just type in Netflix and just press enter. Now, once you've done this, you want to go and just install Netflix. And once you have Netflix installed in your BlueStacks app here, you'll be able to log in and start watching shows from that. Now, typically, once you have logged in, you'll be able to start downloading those content directly to your PC. But then again, in order for you to watch or fully watch those shows, you may need to use BlueStacks again to access those shows. Because again, we're just emulating Netflix into our PC. So you still need to use BlueStacks here to start watching those shows. But in this case, though, that is the alternative way here that you could download those movies. But really, unfortunately, you won't be able to download it directly on your PC. They removed that before you can actually do that. But as of this moment, not now. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.